Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today in this video we will see how we can connect our database to our Python project. So this is a project which is using a fast API to create a server, okay, to create an API endpoint. So these routes you can see, this is a get route, this is a one get route, this is one post and this is one get. So in this one method now, last one, we are creating one route, like we are getting data from our database. So now how we can create, we will see this. So first of all, can you can see the folder structure. I have like we have main.py, and after that we have one folder with the name API, and inside API we have auth, and inside auth I have a login, and on respective to auth we have database and modules. So if I come to my database, so currently here you can see that I have imported few modules. You can do the same exactly as it is written on the screen, and we have a initialized database, database username, password, host, and name. Make sure that you need to install few dependencies if I show you. So here you can see fast API to create API endpoints, UVCon to starter server, and same for GU and IVCon. Then this is for MySQL. After that, python.env means to load data from env file. After that, decrypt to verify whether our password is correct or not, hash password. After that, pyjwt means generating a jwt token. Python multi-file part means we can upload multi, like raw data means any file like video or audio, it doesn't matter. Okay, so this is Python multi part. After that we have MySQL connector Python. Okay, so this is means this will help us to create, like connect our database. So next, if I come to database, so here you can see, and here if I tell you, so if any error occurs here, okay, if any error occurs, like unable to connect or a session has been closed, so then we will again connect the session, and after that we are closing. Okay, so this is the final code of our database. Now next is we are creating, like in my user table I have user ID, name, email, password, and is verified. Okay, these five values I am getting from my database, and I am importing my data, like this database file here as bash. Okay, and after that I am saying okay, only this I am saying, I am passing bash, and after that I am coming to my login.py. So if I come here, so I am just importing these modules. Okay, nothing else. Now next is if I come to main.py, so I am creating here one route. Okay, if I show you at the top, I am initializing one api.auth.login and importing router as auth router. Okay, next I am importing database also here. So now next I am creating an instance. Okay, so here you can see module.base.metadata.create all bind engine. Okay, so means we are creating a connection with our database. So now next here you can see on this one path slash user slash id. So here I am saying that user id in it, and like user id will be integer, and this will be db connect, like db connection. Okay, then I am saying db dot query means whatever the query I want. I will say module dot user means inside module dot users I need these values. Okay, I need these values. If I come back here and I am saying filter these, I am applying filter that if module dot user means module dot user id is equals to user id means this one id. So we will get the data, and if we are not getting any data, then we will say user not found, and we are returning the any error message. So that's all guys, how we can connect our database. If you are facing any error or any issue, you just can let me know in the comment. I will let you know the solution. So that's all in this video guys. Hope you enjoy, and hope you have learned something new how we can integrate. That's all. Thank you.